That's a truly amazing fact about the sun. It perfectly blends science with a sense of wonder. It's fascinating to think of our colossal star humming or rumbling in a way that's utterly imperceptible to us, not because it's silent, but because its scale of sound is so vastly different from what our ears are evolved to detect. Here's a quick breakdown of why that fact is so cool. It challenges our perception of sound. We usually think of sound as something we can hear. This fact reminds us that sound is fundamentally a vibration or pressure wave, and just because we can't hear it doesn't mean it's not happening. Highlights the sun's immense scale. Wavelengths measured in hundreds of miles really puts into perspective the sheer size and power of the sun. It's not just big, its physical processes operate on a scale that's almost incomprehensible. This phenomenon is related to helioseismology, the study of the sun's interior using its oscillations. Scientists can actually listen to these pressure waves using specialized instruments to understand what's happening deep within the sun. So while we'll never hear the sun's cosmic roar, it's incredible to know it's there, silently vibrating through the vacuum of space. If you enjoyed this, hit the like button, share with a friend, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.